Hey guys and gals, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the mobile deposit limit for Acorns. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I'm even talking about this, right? Well, I've been getting a lot of questions about it lately, and I figured it would be a good topic to cover in a video. So, let's get started. What is the mobile deposit limit for Acorns? The mobile deposit limit for Acorns is $5,000 per day. This means that you can deposit up to $5,000 into your Acorns account using your mobile phone. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, this limit is only for mobile deposits. You can still deposit more than $5,000 into your Acorns account using other methods, such as a bank transfer or a check. Second, the $5,000 limit is a daily limit. This means that you can deposit up to $5,000 into your Acorns account each day. However, you cannot deposit more than $5,000 in a single transaction. Finally, the $5,000 limit is subject to change. Acorns may change the limit at any time without notice. So, how can you make sure that you don't exceed the mobile deposit limit for Acorns? The best way to avoid exceeding the mobile deposit limit is to be aware of it and to plan your deposits accordingly. If you need to deposit more than $5,000 into your Acorns account in a single day, you can do so by making multiple deposits or by using a different deposit method. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.